fucking mind, man? Let's against that fucking pole. Think I'm playing a goddamn game, man?
Chill.
You out your fucking mind?
Bitches are wearing the crown, barriers tearing them down. Wake up from an onslaught of shots, no scarier sound. Swim or drown, alcoholic crowd. Through the up and downs, it's a dirty game, but the ref never called the foul. In my favor, I'm the alpha, not omega. Trips to Jamaica, heal my lungs, breathe the vapors. Bulls versus Lakers, entertainment help with motivation. Strong minds, what I'm cultivating. Do or die, ultimatum. Divine thoughts are jot on paper. God body sharing human nature. Control emotion, herbal overdosage. Destiny approaching with the summer solstice. Hypnosis, you play my opus. Stand focused, eye on the prize. Coming up, idle the wise. If you're procreating, that's how you survive. Fruitful and multiply. Buku bucks useful that I authorize. Shooting bullshit, Ron Harper size. 400 horses to bounce through the crowd. If you want it, I got it coming ounces and pounds. Heavy is the head that carries the crown. It's a new sheriff in town. Where you stand, you should cherish the crown. When they kill a black man, America smiles. Heavy is the head that carries the crown. It's a new sheriff in town. Hash in my lungs, moving, got no badge with a gun. I imagine the sun shining while I add to my funds. Set the bar for high standards, aggressive, I'm not a bystander. So protective over my finances. Who am I to deny chances? Improvement require advancement. Streets of gold, dead block with mansions. Laying stiff, flies dancing. Certain questions, surprise answers. Turkish weapons shooting wild rampant. Foul height, foul slanted. Disrespectful and mild-mannered. I got a style that had a crowd panting. Breathe, it's hard to float in the deepest of seas. Heavy pressure when your lungs feel a squeeze. Humble your steeds, cautious in the jungle, probably rumble with thieves. Never fumble, give them scars till they bleed. A star in the lead, arm like Prescott. Shit on rappers like Craig Pops. Bad knuckles, no need for the headlocks. Water, 400 horses to bounce through the crowd. If you want it, I got it coming ounces and pounds. Heavy is the head that carries the crown. It's a new sheriff in town. Where you stand, you should cherish the crown. When they kill a black man, America smiles. Heavy is the head that carries the crown. It's a new sheriff in town.
Your worst fucking nightmare. I want the rest of you cowboys to know something. New sheriff in town.
New sheriff in town. Heavy is the head that carries the crown.
What's your fucking problem?